you had the time, what are you going to think about in a situation like this? You're going to think about dying. About your face flying through the windscreen and being shredded by broken glass. About your family and the police knocking on their door later tonight. How unfair it all is. How it isn't even your fault. But most of all, you're going to think about putting on your seatbelt. Well, sorry. Here's how much time you do have. Things happen on the road you've got no control over.
Authorised by the Northern Territory Government, Darwin.